Assalamualaikum, it's me, Rina Ihdal Husnayaini. Now I want to demonstrate to teaching narrative text for 9th grade of junior high school. So, let's learn. Hi, good morning my student. How's life? I'm fine too. And now we will learn about narrative text to encourage speaking and listening skill. But before it, I want you to remember what is narrative text that you know. Okay, nice. And what is social function of narrative text? Good answer, dear. So, are you ready to start this game? Because in this game we will do fighting round, we must divide into 4 groups. So, I have 3 minutes. Please divide your each group. Okay, are you finished? Okay, now I want to tell how the rule of this game. First, I have some picture, and in this picture contains what is the story meaning of this picture. If there is one of group knows, please raise your hand and go forward to tell how the title of narrative text and how the story goes. If you can answer with true, your group will get 10 points. Are you understand, guys? So, this is the first picture. What do you think about the story is divided throughout this picture? Okay, Aldi, you just raised your hand. So, what is your answer? Snow White? Oh no, dear. Anyone of each group? Okay, Nova, what is your answer? Yep, Cinderella. This is the true answer. So, your group will get 10 points. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations for second group. Your group be a winner for this game. So, give applause, guys. Okay, because we already warmed up by playing earlier game, so we will go directly to the exercise of narrative text. The rule is I will play one of narrative text story. So please listen carefully because I will give you a piece of paper that contains a number of questions where the question relate to what you are listening throughout the story that you heard, right? So are you understand, guys? Okay, check it out.
The Old Lion and the Fox. Once upon a time, there was an old lion lying down under the blazing sun.
I'm so hungry. But I'm too old and slow to hunt. I'm starving. Good. That will do. Hello, little rat.
Oh my, Mr. Lion.
I'm not feeling well. Go tell everyone to pay a visit to this sick lion. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir. What? Mr. Lion is sick?
Okay, I will give you 10 minutes. Please answer the question by individually. Okay, time is up. Please collect your paper because I will correcting and next meeting we will discuss about it again. So, thank you for the day. Please learning in your home and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, this is how I teach if in the future I become a teacher. So, I think enough and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.